What's up, crypto fam? Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy and one of Bitcoin's biggest advocates, just confirmed that the Bitcoin bull run is here. With BTC smashing through resistance levels and institutional money pouring in, Saylor believes this could be the start of something massive. But what's fueling this surge, and how high could Bitcoin go? Hey guys, I am Crypto Billy, and today we're diving into Saylor's bold price analysis and why he's more bullish than ever. Whether you're a seasoned Bitcoin investor or just starting, this is one you won't want to miss. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates, and let's dive in. Before we dive deep into why Bitcoin's bullish season is kicking off, let's take a quick look at the market. Right now, the total crypto market cap stands at $2.05 trillion. Bitcoin is hovering around 67,575, and Ethereum is trading at 2604. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is currently sitting at 26, which signals fear in the market. But don't let that scare you. Remember, when others are fearful, that's when smart investors take action. Institutions like BlackRock are capitalizing on this fear by making strategic moves, and so should you. As the trading volume increases, we're seeing a mix of uncertainty and opportunity. Saylor's ongoing commitment to Bitcoin. Michael Saylor's conviction in Bitcoin has only grown stronger since MicroStrategy's first investment in 2020. Saylor views Bitcoin as more than just a financial asset. He sees it as the future of money. As the Dalai Lama once said, the purpose of our lives is to be happy. And for Saylor, financial security is a key aspect of that happiness. Bitcoin, with its decentralized and inflation-resistant nature, provides that security in a world of economic uncertainty. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings now exceed 150,000 BTC, and Saylor is doubling down, confident that this asset will only grow in value as more institutions recognize its potential. Saylor's belief is rooted in Bitcoin's ability to act as a hedge against inflation, especially as central banks around the world continue printing money. By adopting Bitcoin, Saylor and other institutional investors are protecting their wealth from the devaluation of traditional currencies. His strategy is simple: buy and hold Bitcoin for the long term, because the fundamentals show that BTC's value will continue to rise as adoption grows. Saylor's unwavering commitment sends a strong message. Bitcoin is here to stay, and those who invest wisely will reap the benefits in the coming years. Bitcoin price analysis. What's driving the pump? Bitcoin's recent surge isn't random. It's driven by a confluence of powerful factors. First and foremost, institutional investment is ramping up. Companies like BlackRock and MicroStrategy are accumulating Bitcoin at an unprecedented pace, viewing it as a hedge against inflation and a store of value in uncertain times. As John Lennon said, life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. While traditional finance players were focused elsewhere, Bitcoin quietly became a must-have asset for forward-thinking institutions. This growing demand from institutional buyers is shrinking the supply of available Bitcoin, driving prices higher. Volatility and long-term growth. Bitcoin's volatility is often cited as a reason to avoid it, but Michael Saylor sees volatility as a feature, not a flaw. As Sam Levinson wisely said, don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going. Bitcoin's price swings may be sharp, but they reflect a dynamic, growing market that is still finding its place in the global financial system. Saylor's approach is to ignore the short-term noise and focus on the long-term potential. For him, Bitcoin's volatility is a sign of its evolution, an asset class maturing in real time. This is why Saylor sees every dip as an opportunity to accumulate more BTC. Saylor argues that while volatility can be unsettling, it also presents opportunities for those with the emotional intelligence to weather the storms. He advises investors to hold through the dips, as Bitcoin has a track record of recovering stronger each time it falls. In fact, Bitcoin's ability to bounce back from corrections is one of its strongest attributes. The lesson here is simple: volatility is part of the journey, but those who can stay focused on the bigger picture, Bitcoin's long-term growth, will be the ones who come out ahead when the next bull run hits. What's next for Bitcoin? $100,000 in sight. With Bitcoin breaking resistance and institutional investors pouring in, many experts, including Michael Saylor, believe that $100,000 is within reach. As Abraham Lincoln said, the best way to predict your future is to create it. Saylor and other institutional investors are doing just that by holding significant amounts of Bitcoin, creating a future where BTC becomes a standard part of the global financial system. The combination of institutional interest, macroeconomic instability, and Bitcoin's scarcity makes a new all-time high almost inevitable. The current momentum suggests that Bitcoin could hit $100,000 by early next year, especially as more investors view it as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Saylor's strategy is clear: continue accumulating Bitcoin and hold it for the long term. He believes that Bitcoin is not just a speculative asset, but the foundation of a new financial era. As more companies and countries adopt Bitcoin, its price will continue to rise. For those who hold strong during the volatile periods, the rewards could be massive. Saylor's advice: be patient trust the process, and watch Bitcoin transform the financial landscape. Michael Saylor is confident that the Bitcoin bull run is just getting started. If you're ready to ride the wave, now's the time to pay attention. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on where Bitcoin is headed next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.